Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the math session. Already we have learned exercise number 2.2. In that exercise, we have learned question number 1 to question number 5. So in this section, I will solve exercise number 2.2 and question number 6. Exercise number 2.2 from linear equation in one variable. Okay, so question number 6 is three consecutive integers, three consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these numbers? What are these numbers? So look at the question. The question is three consecutive integers add up is 51. What are the numbers? First one, we have to take the consecutive numbers. The consecutive numbers are x comma x plus 1 comma x plus 2. These are the consecutive numbers. Next one, therefore x plus 1 x plus 2 is equal to, so what is the add up is 51. Next one, 1 2 3, 3x plus 1 plus 2 is what? 3 is equal to what? 51. Next term, 1 2 3, 1 plus 2 3, 3x is equal to 51 minus 3. Correct? Next term, 51 minus 3 means 3x is equal to 48. X is equal to 48 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, remaining 18. 3 6 are 18. Actually is what? 16. Therefore, x is equal to 16 will come. X plus 1 is what? 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. Next term, x plus 2. 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. The numbers are 16, 17 and 18. The consecutive numbers always in the form of x plus 1, x plus 2. Clear now? These are what the consecutive. Consecutive is nothing but 1 by 1. 16 of course 17, 17 of course 18. So add up these three, what will you get? 51. The equation of the consecutive number is what? X plus 1, x plus 2. Write down the answer. Okay, shall we go for question number 7? Yes, I will rub it. Question number 7 is the sum of three consecutive multiples of 8. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8, the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. Okay. So here also he has given the multiple of number, but multiple number should be the multiple of 8. How to take them? First one. The consecutive numbers multiple of 8 are, so what all things will come? X plus 8 and x plus 16. If you write here 8, what next number will come? 8 plus 8, 16. 8 plus 16, 24. Like that we have to write. So just add them. Therefore, x plus 8 plus x plus 16. So overall is equal to how much? 888. First number, second number, third number. Adding these all three, what will you get? We get 818. X plus x how much? 3x. 16 plus 8, 24 is equal to 888. Next, 3x keep here only. 888 divided by 24. Correct? Sorry, minus will come, not divided by. 3x is equal to 884 minus 24 because plus is there. If it is go that side, it will become minus. 3x, 8 minus 4, 4, 8 minus 6, 8 minus 2, 6. Remaining is what? 864. Next, x is equal to 864 divided by 3. Correct? Yes. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. 3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 24. 3 twos are 6. Remaining how much? 2 here. It will become 26. 3 eights are 24. Remaining 2. 3 eights are 24. Therefore, what are the numbers? X is equal to 288. Next, x plus 8 is there. X plus 8. 288 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 carry. 296. Next term. X plus 16. What do you write? What is the x value? What is the x value? 288 plus 16. 8 plus 6, 14. 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry. 304. The three numbers are 288, 296, 304. These three are the multiple, not the normal consecutive numbers. These are the multiples of 8. So 288 of course 296 will come. 296 of course 304 will come. Okay, children, write down the answer. Okay, shall we go for the next question? Question number what? This is 7. Next one is question number 8. Okay, the next question is 3 consecutive integers, 3 consecutive integers. Three consecutive integers are such that three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order. Increasing order multiplied by and multiplied by 2 and 3 and 4 respectively. 3, 2 and 3 and 4 respectively. They add up to 74. They add up to 74. Find these numbers. Find these numbers. So once again, read the question properly. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. Okay. First thing, the consecutive numbers are x plus 1, x plus 2. Correct? Next one. According to the question, what will happen? 2x, comma 3x plus 1, comma 4x plus 2. So we have to multiply first number to the 2, second number to the 3 and third number to the 4. Next one. Therefore 2x plus 3 in the bracket x plus 1, 4 in the bracket x plus 2 is equal to 74. Correct? Next one. 2 into x, 2x, 3 into x, 3x, 3 ones are 3, 4 into x, 4x, 4 twos are 8 is equal to 74. So once again tell you, 2x as it is, 3 into x, 3x will come, 3 ones are 3, 4 into x, 4x, 4 twos are 8. Later on, add the variables. 2x plus x is what? 5x, 5x plus 4x. 9x will come. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 3, 11 is equal to 74. 9x is equal to 74 minus 11. 9x is equal to 4 minus 1, 3, 7 minus 1, 6. Next one. x is equal to 63 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 sevens are. So what is the x value? The x value is 7. Clear? First two is what? First number is 2x. So we should write here 2x, 2 into 7, 14. Next term 3 into x plus 1, 3 as it is, 7 plus 1, correct? 3, 7 plus 1 is how much? 8. Multiply these two. 8 3s are 24. Next one 4, x plus 2 is there. 4 as it is, 7 plus 2, 4, 9. 9 4s are 36. 14, 24 and 36. Adding these all numbers will get, what is that? 74. Understood? So these are the steps. So these are the values. First one is x. So what I did, just substitute the value of x. What is the value of x here? 7. 2 sevens are 14. 3. What is the x value? 7. So 7 plus 1. 3 as it is, 7 plus 1 is what? 8. 3 8s are 24. Next 4, x plus 2 is there. 4 as it is. What is your x value? 7. Remaining is what? 2. 7 plus 2 9. 9 4s are 36. This is your question number 8. Okay, shall we go for question number 9? Yes, I will drop this question number 8. Then I will write the question of question number 9. Okay, children. The next question is what is the next question? Question number 9. The age of Rahul and Harun. The age of Rahul and Harun. The age of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio, are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 4 years later. Sum of their ages will be 56 years. 56 years. 56 years. What is their present age? What is their present age? So, I will read the question. The age of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7x. After The sum of their ages will be 56 years. What is their present age? Okay. Your answer is the present age of Rahul is 5x. Take 5x. Next, the present age of Harun is how much? 7x. After how many years? After 4 years. After 4 years, the Rahul age will be, the Rahul age will be, how much is there? 5x plus 4. The Harun age will be, what will do? 7x plus 4 means add 4 to their present ages. Next one. According to question, what is that? Sum of their ages. 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to 56 years. 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to 56 years. Next one. 7 plus 5. 12 will come. 12x plus 8 is equal to 56. 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. Next term. 16 minus 8 is what? 8. 1 carry 48. Correct? Next term. X is equal to 48 divided by 12. 12 4s are 48. 12 is 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. 12 4s are 48. Next one. X is equal to what? 4. Later on, therefore, Rahul is equal to how much? 5 into 4. 20 years. Next term. Harun, 7x. 28 years. So this is your final answer. Final answer. Under this, next question number 10. Question number 10 is the number of boys and girls in our class. The number of boys and girls in a class. The number of boys and girls in a class in the ratio 7:5. In the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is the number of boys is 8 more than the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. Number of girls. What is the class strength? What is the total class strength? Okay. The number of boys and girls in the ratio, in the class, in the ratio 7:5. Correct? Next, the number of boys 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total strength of the class? So what to do? Let the number of girls we don't know. That's why the number of girls is X. So we don't know the number of girls. That's why the number of girls is X. Next, number of boys is what? X plus 8, because 8 more than number of girls according to the question. Therefore, according to the question, x plus 8 divided by x is equal to 7 divided by 5. X plus 8 boys ratio 7, x is a girls ratio is 5. Next, do the cross multiplication. 5 into x plus 8 is equal to 7 into x, 7x. 5 into x how much? 5x. 5x 40 is equal to 7x. So 5x plus 8, 5x, 5x, 5x 40, 7x as it is. Next, 40 is equal to 7x minus 5x. Bring this 5x from left hand side to the right hand side. Next one, 40 is equal to 2x. 40 divided by 2 is equal to x. 2 1s are 2 20s are. Correct? What's the x value? 20. Therefore, boys. How many boys are there? X plus 8. 20 plus 8 is equal to 28. Girls, only x. 20. Total strength 20 plus 28 is equal to 48. Clear? Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.